Hey guys, how's it going? Andy Patlan out at a super awesome, unique, custom-built home sitting on 3/4 of an acre. I'm here with one of my favorite agents. I got to say one because they're all my favorite.
Yeah, they might get upset with you.
Very true. So, Elena Rodriguez, we're going to show you this house, custom-built home sitting on 3/4 of an acre. We're right out of Cedar Creek, right outside of Bastrop, Austin, 71 to 21. Guys, let me show you what this is all about. If you're tired of the cookie cutter homes, if you're tired of the track built homes from some of these builders, I'm not going to name any names. Let's show them something special.
All custom built, like you said, with all kinds of beautiful details.
I mean, let's look at that stonework, brick accent, and then you've got this knotty pine door just coming on in. And ladies first.
Thank you, thank you.
All right. So
look at the ceramic tile. These huge 12-foot ceilings. They have to be, right?
They're about 12, 13 feet. Yeah, that's right. And guys, let me just tell you this: if you've been out looking at homes, I look at homes all day, every day, all week, every week. And a lot of these builders now are starting to use that laminate wood floor or that vinyl planking or hard tile floors. You still get what's in my opinion, one of the best floors out there, ceramic tile. And look at the patterns on that ceramic tile. You've got the nice 4-inch, 5-inch baseboards there. Beautiful custom accents with the windows. And let me tell you, you gotta see this kitchen. You gotta see this kitchen.
This kitchen is made for entertaining. Look at that. It opens up to this bonus room, entertainment living room that everyone likes, but it still has those tiny touches that just take it up a notch, because that's what this home is all about. It's taking it up to a higher level because of the details that the custom builder put into the home, which you've got this differentiating backsplash, the granite countertops, and of course the custom built cabinets. And that is like 8 cabinets. No, you have plenty of cabinets, plenty of storage with the beautiful granite and all stainless steel appliances.
And let me tell you guys, one of the best features of this home, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, but you've got a double master suite. So you've got one master suite, primary master suite, and then you got a secondary master suite for the in-laws, for the grown kids, that extended family. I mean, this is what I'm talking about when I say it's a unique home, something you're not going to get with these builders, something that you're only going to get when you come out here and look at this home, 3/4 of an acre in Cedar Creek, ready and on market. This is a second master bedroom. Again, great for that multi-generational family. It's complete with its own bath. And look at that bath, granite. You've got a full tile shower. You've got hard tile floors. Gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom there. Second master area. And then look at this, guy. A full utility room. We're not talking about a washer, dryer, closet. We're not talking about a little bitty space. We're talking about a full room for your washer, dryer, complete with a cabinet countertop, fold your clothes, hang your clothes, washer, dryer connections. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. I've been selling homes for this builder for like the last 5 years, and every year, every time they built another home, they just hit another level. This is, in my opinion, one of the best homes they've built. And let's show them what that second master looks like.
So again, you have these beautiful, gorgeous ceilings. Very modern looking touches throughout, like we talked about with those ceiling fans. And then look, here you go, your spa-like bathroom with a great walk-in closet, double vanity, great huge shower, and your jetted tub, because we can all use a little massage here and there. And then you've got your private bathroom. So this is, again, a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. We're ready, we're here, we want to show it to you. We've got all kinds of lenders. We work with USDA, FHA, conventional. We want to talk to you and walk you through that whole buying process.
4-bedroom, we just saw the master. You've got bedroom number 3, really good sized bedrooms. And look at these doors, guys. We're not looking at 8-foot doors. We're looking at 9-foot doors, right? We're looking at really nice doors here. Bath, another bedroom. Custom built home. Loving the trim work there, the baseboards. Let me just show you, save the best for last. Who wouldn't want to wake up with a cup of coffee and just enjoy this view? You're not looking at your neighbor's house. You're not looking at some railroad tracks. You're looking at some beautiful wooded area in the heart of Cedar Creek. And guys, just so you know, Cedar Creek has one of the lowest tax rates in and around the Austin area, which is why people are flocking out here. No HOA, so you want to bring some trailers out here, you want to park some cars out here, nobody's going to tell you what to do. And look at this patio. Goes on forever. And Elena, any last words?
We want you to come see it because it's beautiful, it's a great price, and we want to share this home with you because our custom builders are very unique. They pay attention to all kinds of details that you're going to see for yourself when you walk the property. So come on out here, enjoy this great elbow room, 3/4 of an acre, custom built, brand new home.
And guys, we have the incentives. You want to call us, you want a good deal, you want some closing cost incentives, you can get them through us, with us. Give us a call today. We want to show you this home. We want to put you in your forever home.